What is Microsoft Teams? Microsoft Teams is a container with all of those artifacts in this underlayer scenario. So it's using SharePoint for storing the files. It can be extended with Power Automate and PowerApps to bring intelligence into Teams. You now have the tasks, which is actually part of, or actually something part of Planner, where you can have your tasks, add planner plans to manage those tasks. You have the conversations, audios, and videos to have some calls, to have some video calls with your colleagues. You can even have some tabs with SharePoint framework solutions. You don't care about where the solution is. It's in SharePoint, in Teams, in the cloud, on premises. No, you just use your solution in tabs. Build on the M365 groups model, which can be extended with the bot framework and lists. So as you can see, all of them is part of Teams. It is a correct statement to say that if one of those artifacts have issues, well, Teams will have issues. If the SharePoint data center or the SharePoint service has an issue, well, your files will have issues as well. It is a correct statement to say that all of those artifacts is part of Teams, and Teams is actually nothing without SharePoint, is nothing without the M365 groups model, etc., etc.